A 6-year lease requires $1,059 paid at the beginning of every 3 months. This interest rate is 5% compounded monthly. Find the cash value, present value of the lease. So we have a 6-year lease. Every 3 months at the beginning, so starting right away, $1,059 is paid. The interest rate is 5% compounded monthly. So find the cash value or the present value. So of all of these, what does it all equal when we get to the beginning of the present value? There's nothing at the end. So it's the value of the annuity as we go. So how many payments do we have? Well, we have n equals 6 years times our payments per year of quarterly, so n is 24. Our CY is compounded monthly, so we have a CY of 12. Our PY is quarterly, so we have a PY of 4. Our interest, where IY is 5, but our interest is 0.05 divided by 12 for 0.004167. And so we can use the formula. So this is a due. So this would be our present value due, because it's the payment at the beginning, is equal to payment 1 minus 1 plus p to the power of negative n divided by p one plus p. Now we have to solve for p. So what is p? Well, first thing we have to do is solve for c. I'll just do that over here. So c is equal to cy over py, or 12 over 4, which is ultimately equal to 3. And our p is equal to 1 plus I to the power of c minus 1, which is equal to 1.004167 to the power of 3 minus 1, which will ultimately equal 0.0125552. And so we can punch that in over here. We've got 1,059. 1 minus 1.012552 to the power of negative 24 over 0.012552 to the power, or pardon me, minus times 1 plus 0.012552. And finally, we get a total of $22,101.70. That is the present value. Now we can check our work here with our calculator. Second, clear work. Second, clear TVM. Second, PY. 4, enter. CY 12, enter. So we have these set. We have an IY of 24N, IY 5. Payment of 1,059. I'm just going to make it negative. 0, future value. Compute, present value. And we get Oh, so the reason why I didn't get it is because I did not set my to an annuity due. So now that we're set to beginning, now I expect compute present value, and there we have it, $22,101.66, but this is just a small rounding error, which is a very important lesson on making sure you set your calculator right.